99. They go down as obviously as the temperature goes down, but not bad. Beautiful day, cruising outside. AC works great. So pretty much what I did with the car was simple bolt-ons. It wasn't anything crazy. The goal was somewhere around 700, 750, and we hit that. And it was actually pretty easy to do that. So pretty much all I did to the car was a Kong 5-inch intake, Nick Williams 103 boosted throttle body, Kong modified snout, and then the biggest restriction with the cars is cooling. So I did Katech heat exchanger, I did the Synergy coolant expansion tank, the engine bay one, along with the Kong intercooler bricks. So that should have solved all of the issues with the cooling as far as that goes. Then simple little things like a catch can. I put the car on E85, so it's got a flex wheel tune, and you can run E85 or 93 octane. So we made, I want to say 746. I'll post the dyno run here in the next clip, but car sounds awesome. It's got Kooks 2-inch headers now, catless 3-inch mid pipe, and then the car already came with full Akrapovic 3-inch exhaust. So sounds cool. I was able to retain like the NPP stuff. So yeah, I mean, the car runs fantastic. I'll also post a couple clips of a couple cars that I've raced, high 600 horsepower cars to 700 horsepower plus automatic 8-speed cam C7. So pretty cool car. I mean, love everything about it. Probably what's next is going to be an auxiliary pump for the car, just because I'm completely maxed out as far as the fuel goes. And then we'll probably port the blower. We'll do a Kong blower setup on that, and then try to shoot for maybe 800 with just those simple bolt-ons like that. And then eventually down the line, maybe heads cam it. But I just love the fact that the car drives pretty much like it's stock. So
they were pretty close. Damn, I don't know. I saw Menace up front. I don't know. What'd you see?
To be honest, I look like Menace.
Damn, brother. Hey, they were close. That's crazy.